This is the second part of the wheel drawing. So in the previous session you have learned how to draw this much of your wheel. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the holes over here and complete your wheel. So go to your wheel, select 2D sketch and select the surface where you have to do the 2D sketch. Now select the circle, click here center and draw a circle of 60 mm, and from the same center draw a circle of 190 mm diameter. Now select polygon from here. We are having 6 sides of the polygon because we need to draw 6 spokes. From the same center draw a polygon and other polygon from the same center. Now for the spokes we have to make this bigger and this is smaller. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this distance as 20 mm and this distance as 12 mm. So select circle and make a circle of 20 mm here and 12 mm here. And this thing we have to do for all the edges. After drawing the circles in each corner, this will look something like this. So now we have to make the spokes. So select line and from this end you have to join the line to this end. Make sure it is on the circumference of the circle. That is very necessary. And this. Do the same thing for all the 6 corners. After connecting all the corners, the drawing will look something like this. Now we have to delete all the circles and the polygon. So start deleting. After removing all the circles and the polygon, our drawing will look like this. So as you can see, it is somewhat similar to this. Now you have to trim the unwanted part. What we have to make, you have to make hole from these portions, and we have to leave the spokes. So what we will trim this portion. What we have to leave. So trim over here. Trim all these. After trimming, click on Finish Sketch and go to Extrude. Now you have to select the second part. Don't forget to do this and select all your portions in which you have to make the hole and drag it to the bottom and click OK. After extrusion, our wheel will look something like this. But this is not the complete wheel. As you can see, some portion over here. So now we have to draw these portions. So for that, click this, go to 2D sketch and now select circle, draw a circle of 60 mm and then from the same center a circle of 64 mm. Now what we have to do, you have to carefully join this part to this part. So click over here to here, here to here, So delete these dimensions, otherwise you won't be able to draw the lines properly. Delete this. Now carefully make lines. Everywhere we have to do the same thing. So walk a little fast for this. Here to here. So after making lines everywhere, our diagram will look like something like this. Now what we have to do, we have to just trim these things. So trim the portions over here, trim it, trim it. And click to finish sketch. Now what we have to do, we have to select all this part and extrude them. So click extrude, select these parts, select extrude. And click on this arrow, make it to our other side and write a dimension of 62 mm because we need a extrusion of 62 mm only, and click OK. Click on the front view and now you will be able to see the complete circle, complete wheel, sorry. So the wheel which you can see in the diagram is present in the inventor, the complete 3D view of our wheel. So if you liked our video, click on like and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.